One. So here we have the restaurant data where you can see we have total bill, tips, sex, smoker, whether the customer was smoker or non-smoker, on what day the customer visited, and whether he or she visited for dinner, lunch, etc. Right. So now we are going to analyze this data with the help of pie chart. Let's see. What exactly we want to analyze is the revenue. All right. So let's go to the report view over here, and to create the pie chart, you see this visualization pane. Into that you can just click on this pie chart. That is it. Right now, for feasibility, I'm going to expand this data pane as well. Right now it looks little better to you. I'm just going to make it a little bigger. Okay, now what exactly that we want to analyze? What we want to analyze is the revenue, and the total revenue we can get with the help of total bill. Right, so I'm just going to take this total bill and I'm going to put that into the values. Here we got the all values, which is the total is 4.63 or 83. It is 83, right? And that is 100%. Now I want to split it by days, weekdays. Okay, so here I got the days, so that I need to take and put it into the legends. Right, as soon as you do this, this is what you're gonna get. Now, there is one thing which you may notice over here. The total revenue is splitted in four parts. Now, what each of these slices are representing to? How would you know that? For that, you have the legends over here. Now, it is making it a little difficult to find what date it is. Here you see you have just four slices. You might have more slices, right? Then in that case, it might be cumbersome to come back over here and see it again. What if we just include the days also over here in this value itself? Yes, that will make life pretty simple. So how can we do that? Go on this part right over here, on this part, format your visuals, and over here in the details label, you see, just scroll it down, and here is the label content, what exactly that you want to see in the labels. So just click on that, and into this, currently it is showing data value, which is the whole number 1.78k in this case, and the percentage of total. Right, what I want to see is category and percentage of total. I just need to click that. Now you see it has changed. It is showing Saturday 36.84%. Right, you see how simple was it? Now I don't want to show these labels. Right, so what I can do is, because this is of no use now, so I can just, what I can do is I can just do this. No, sorry, I made a mistake. Rather, I should of this one. Okay, now this is done. Next thing which we need to do is, I need to make the font size look a little bigger. Right, so how can I do that? So for that, I'm going to go on values, and into this over here I can just increase the font size, and it is showing bigger. Right, now the other part is, if you, in many of the scenarios, you want to show these labels on the chart itself. Right, how can I do that? So for that, I need to go on legends, and in the options, sorry, I just had switched off the legends. Let's see if we get in data labels and come back over here in the options. It is showing outside, and what we can choose is inside. Now you see that is inside. That's how you can choose where you want to show it. All right, so now you can clearly understand that the the revenue which is coming on Sunday is highest, which is 33.7%, and on Saturday it is 36.84%. So it's Saturday which is the highest, not the Sunday. All right, so I just hope that it was pretty easy for you to understand, and it was useful how you can analyze the data using the pie chart. Now the question comes, you might get a question, when to use pie chart and when to use bar chart, right, for the storytelling with the data. So what I discovered is this website. Right, it looks very, I went through its content, and the content was pretty good. Right, so I also recommend you to go through this, and you would realize when and how to use the pie chart. That's really gonna be very, very useful. Right, I'll leave the link of this website somewhere into the description. Just check that out. I just hope that it was overall good for you to understand, and wish you very good luck.